Hey guys, how is it going? Sylvia here. So guys, I'm just shooting a quick video just to give you a sort of like a heads up about this cool product called, what is it called? Particle FX Animations Volume 2 by Max Rylski. So this product was released at the beginning of this week, and it's sort of like a final call if you want to pick it up at the lower launch price. So it will be going up, the price. I'll tell you by how much in a sec, but it will be going up as of tomorrow. So let me check so today is Friday, so from the Friday the 13th, okay. So as of tomorrow, so that's Saturday the 14th, okay, of January, by midnight, so 11, like sort of like 59, the price will be going up. So the front end, the price of the front end, okay, by $10, okay. So if you have been thinking, if you perhaps watched my earlier review on this product, that I like released a few days ago, and you are just considering, shall I not get it, then maybe you will sort of take action now before the price goes up. So basically what you will be able to do, and by the way, just let me show you the vendor so we know what kind of vendor we are dealing with. Always very important. Max Rylski, his name is. So a few upsells, I'll remind you about the upsells, but let me just show you quickly his profile. Good score, okay, decent vendor, very, very reliable, the support is always there, and his products have nothing to do with making money online as such. It's always to do with graphics, so he's a graphic designer, obviously, okay, and releases these like super cool products, very sort of like beautiful looking, futuristic sort of. So with the help of these templates, because it's really like a collection of templates you would be getting here, you can create awesome looking logo animations, text effects, and cinematic videos. So let me just zip it for now, okay, and let me just show you this video. So check out this video, guys, how cool it looks. So with these templates you can create these videos with no design skills. Just copy sort of and paste straight into your projects or your clients' projects, because this product comes with the front end alone comes with two options. So number one is the commercial license, which is $20, okay, for now, guys, until tomorrow. And from after that, the price will be increasing to $30 for the commercial license. And there is the PLR, so personal license rights, that you can resell, sort of, okay. That there will be at the end of the sales page. I'll attach the link to it below my review in the description box, a description of what you can and cannot do with commercial license and PLR. So just educate yourself on that, and yeah, and also that you're aware. So basically, let me just show you this video first, and then I'll quickly remind you about the features, what you can do with, these templates. So watch the video. I'll zip it for now. I'll play it. Alright, so did you love it? What a cool video, huh? Okay, so you can watch it again. So it is on the sales page. And it says here that this video was created 100% with animations and templates from this package, okay? So these are the sort of effects you can do, okay? You can get access to the same video template, and then you can edit it, you know, with your own details. And this is the thing, it's like, here are the prices, so you can either pick up the commercial license if you want this one, click on the, you know, yellow button or unless you want the PLR license, which is $40, then click on the yellow button below. So he's just saying here that, you know, like, everybody's into videos, okay? Because video marketing is the future. It is. I mean, everything is on videos, okay? These days, whether we like it or not, sort of. This is like, you know, it's really like overtaking, in my humble opinion, email marketing, okay? I mean, email marketing is the king. You want to grow your email list always, but, you know, where is everybody looking for example, reviews and stuff? On YouTube. And YouTube is, you know, well, videos. So it's the most powerful search engine, really. You know, so it's just saying like the, you know, video like the are becoming more and more popular, but the problem is that everyone is starting to use video. Yeah, everybody's doing them, and it's getting harder and harder to make videos stand out. All right, so like he kind of like came up with a solution, and he gives you these super cool templates with these animations that are already done for you, so you don't need any design experience or fancy video editing equipment. You can really make your videos stand out, pop up, you know, like ooh. And you simply just choose the animation that you like and quickly copy and paste it straight into your projects or your clients' projects and get awesome looking, you know, results in minutes, really. So guys, I mean, with the front end, what you're getting is 25 professional animations to choose from. It's compatible with pretty much any video editor, okay? And you can use it to create text, logos, viral images, invitations, Instagram stories, and I mean, like, your imagination is really the limit. So you get the done for you templates, which are included, easy to use, and you can use in unlimited projects for yourself or your clients, and obviously pick between the commercial license and the PLR license. And now further down, and you know, you can, you know, these are the sort of effects and stuff you can create. I mean, it's just stunning. So if you're into graphics, then yeah, you know, you will find it very, very I mean, you'll find it awesome, you know, to have templates like that. Okay, check it out. Anyhow, yeah, beautiful. So I thought I would give you the final heads up about this product. Okay, so if you want to get it at a cheaper, discounted price, launch price, the time to get it is really by tomorrow midnight, guys. So watch those videos, guys, okay, and like, you know, it's in MP4 format, so compatible with pretty much any video editor or PNG images, so the standard sort of, okay. And like you can use them with Canva, which is to edit them, so you use Canva, which is free, or you can use them with Camtasia as well. So do go through every single detail of this product on the sales page. It is clearly explained. Okay, I'm not gonna repeat myself because I've already shot a review on it. You can go back and watch my earlier review that I again published a few days ago. And then here are the can and cannot do with commercial license and PLR. So read on that as well. So commercial license, basically you can use it for your clients, to do projects for your clients, right? Not just for yourself. PLR, you can resell the product, okay? Based to like the main thing about it. But yeah, there's more. But the devil is in the details, so do read the detail. The devil is in the small print, as they say. Do read the detail. And yeah, again, here are some upsells as well, guys. So pause the video, check out the upsells. Now the thing is, like, once you buy the front end, you will be presented with the upsells. If there's anything that, you know, would interest you, again, super cool upgrades. I mean, it's really up to you whether you need them or not. So read on the features of those individual upsells. Whatever you need, pick it up. So sort of take it or leave it. And yeah, it is clearly says here that during the launch, okay, it's a launch discounts. During the launch week, the front end price will be $19.99 for the commercial license and $39.99 for PLR license. After launch week, the front end prices will jump to, you know, $29.99 and $49.99. So there you go. Okay. All right, cool. Also, feel free to pick up my courses on affiliate marketing if you want to learn how to do, guys, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, email marketing. Okay, and you can learn with these courses completely free. Then do pick them up. I mean, the vendor behind these courses is totally amazing. Okay, I will never stop praising him because he's a super cool guy, and I am here to testify it. And it's really these courses that kickstarted my affiliate marketing journey. I'm making commissions on a regular basis. It's not much yet. It's not like every day it's happening, but it is happening, okay? And, you know, from now on, it's like as long as I carry on and I am being consistent, things will just go, you know, better and better. So yeah, get them for free if you wish. And again, final reminder about this product, guys. I attached the link to the sales page below my review. Check it out. Alright, love you and leave you. Take care. See you soon.